Hello friends, today we are going to look into a new topic called regular expressions. So normally regular expressions provide some sort of functions related to text processing. So if you want to find out a word starting with a particular letters, okay, or if you want to find out the words ending with a certain letters, or if you want to split the sentences into words, or if you want to substitute some letters with other letters. So there are multiple functions that are being defined as part of the regular expression package module. Okay. So mainly we normally use it in text processing. If you would have heard about artificial intelligence or machine learning, text processing plays a very important role, and we use more of pre-processing, making use of this regular expression in terms of natural language processing. So coming back to these regular expressions, as I'll show you what are all the functions, what are some of the functions. I'll show you some of the functions with this regular expression package. Okay. Initially, what I will do in this is I'll start with find all. First, find all is a function. Normally, it is going to check the appearance of these characters within a sentence. It might be one time or two times. The number of times this sequence of characters appearing in the sentence is being picked up, and it is going to display as a result. I have this text, the list is going up. I'm going to make use of regular expression dot find all function. Okay, find all. So I want to check for IEs in the entire sentence. So where is the is appearing? In list. This is IS. Is also IS. So there are two occurrences of is within this text, right? So it is going to give the two occurrences of text within this particular list of values. It is going to return the number of occurrences of is as an output in the find all function. Okay. Now coming back to another operation, which is search operation. Okay. So what happens into this search operation in this is initially I have the same text. The list is going up. I'm going to make use of search. Okay. This search will give me the exact place where this occurrence is happening. The exact place where this occurrence is happening. Suppose if this is there within this text. Okay, I'm checking for is in this text. What is the output? You see span of 5, 7. The match is. First, I want to know the first occurrence. Let's say I want to know the first occurrence. See, the first occurrence is at 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After fifth location, right? So after that, here we have another occurrence. So it was showing here also as 7. If I remove this start, it is going to show me the list of occurrences over here. Okay, this is the function of search. This is the functionality of search function. As I told you, there are certain places where you want to split the sentence into words based on spaces. Okay, this is a space. This is a space. After each word, you have a space. So based on the spaces, I want to split the sentence into words. So I have regular expression dot split function, where I'm telling in that split function that based on the space, you split the sentence into the words that is there in this text string, this text sentence, passing the input parameter and how to split based on the split should be based on space. Okay, at least gives you the array of values of the each and every word, and I'm going to print it over here. See here, the list is going up. These are all the broken up words within a particular sentence. Okay, this is good till here. And there is another functionality, which is nothing but a match. Okay, match is in the sense, suppose if I want to know if there is a particular sequence of letters happening at the starting of the sentence. At the starting of the sentence, I want to know if there is any sequence of words that are happening. Then I normally go with match. The difference between search and match is this sequence of words can be existing anywhere within the sentence, but match will look only at the starting of the sentence. Suppose if you look here, I'm just mentioning it gave me the position at which these letters are appearing. It gave me the position at which the letters are appearing. Suppose if I do the same for is, okay, you see, you will not find anything even though it is appearing over here, because these are not appearing in the starting of the sentence. That's the reason it is giving you none. Again, if I give back you see here, it is going to return you the span of the particular word what we are looking for in this text. Got it? This is nothing but search, the split and match what we have looked right now. So we will look into how to change a letter or replace a letter, making use of regular expression. Okay. So here I have a text. I have some sort of text I have. Okay. So in this particular regular expression, what I'm going to do, I'm calling substitute function. In this substitute function, I'm going wherever I have I want to replace with L. Okay, this is I, this is I, this is I. 3 occurrences of I. And I want to replace with L in the input. In the input, wherever you find I, the first parameter takes the one which has to be replaced. The second parameter takes what has to be replaced within the text. Okay. So I used re.substitute function. So when I have run that, you see here, all this is replaced. L is replaced. This is with ls. Going is replaced with L. Right? This is nothing but some of the functions which we use in regular expressions. One of the basic functions, what you have looked up till now is one of the basic functions. Take your own text. Okay. Try opening the text file. Okay. Write some content in the text file, making use of file functions, read the text, perform these regular expression functions on top of those, and see how the things work. That will be quite interesting. Trust me. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you.